press star and next. After that, just key in your admin password. Okay, already key in your admin password. Press 1, user manage. You can see add user, press 2. Okay, after that, you can register the password and fingerprint and card, press 1. Okay, after that, you can press hex. Just key in your password. Just put in again, double check your password, press hex. Okay, already successful. Okay, after that, if you want to register the card, just tap here. Okay, already registered. If you want to register your fingerprint, tap it here 5 times. Okay, already registered. Okay, if you want to register the Face ID, you can press 1 time the star and then press 2 Face ID. Press hex again. Okay, just look around the camera.
Turn face slightly. Turn face right slightly. Look down face slightly. Look up face slightly. Face 2.
Okay, already registered. Okay, so if you want to register the palm, press 3. After that, press the hex. Okay, just put your palm in front of your camera. In front of your camera 20 cm. Just move in and move out a little bit. Just waiting. Already successful.